Binka has 3 houses. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes Binka likes to go out the front door. Meow. Binka? And sometimes he doesn't. It looks a bit cloudy today. It looks like it might rain. Not a very nice day to go out. Today is a day to stay inside. Binka! Ah, that's better. The radiator is nice and warm. Only silly cats go out in the rain. What a silly cat. Better hurry home. It's going to rain. Wait a minute. Isn't that? Yes, it is. It's Suki. Binka likes Suki. Binka likes Suki a lot. Meow. Meow. Binka. Wait, Suki. Wait for Binka. Meow. Hello? Doesn't Suki look nice today? Hey, wait! Meow. What's the rush? Oh, look! What's that? Sometimes you can find interesting things on the pavement. It's a glove. It's for you. I know, it's only a glove, but you can pretend it's a wild animal and shake it about. Binka is a great hunter. Sometimes great hunters like to show off. If that was a wild animal, it wouldn't stand a chance. The great hunter would crouch down so as not to draw attention to himself. He would creep towards it and pounce, taking the wild animal by surprise. Okay, so it's just a glove. But what's the rush? It's a lovely day. Silly cat. Hurry home, it's going to rain. Sometimes it's nice to walk home with a friend. Meow. It's always nice to spend time with your friends, even if it's not very much time at all. Binka loves Suki. Binka loves Suki a lot. Come on, Binka. Better hurry home before it starts to pour. Uh-oh, Binka. Now you're going to get very wet. What a silly cat. If only you'd stayed at home by that nice warm radiator. Oh, Binka.